Hi, in this video I will show you how to import all the US states along with their tax rates into your WooCommerce website. Now the reason I am doing this video is if you have a WooCommerce website and you want to add all the states and their tax rates, then you will have to go to WooCommerce settings and taxes. And here you will have to manually enter all the states and their tax rates, which will take a lot of time. So what if we have a ready-made file and we just import it and get this all done in just 2 or 3 minutes. So follow along and I'll show you how we can do this. First of all, we need the CSV file that will include all the states and their tax rates. So to get those files, you will have to go to this website. This is the website from which we will get all the CSV file we need. So I will put this link down in the description box. Now there are 3 simple steps. First you will need to select the states you want to download the file and then click continue. So I will select all these. If you need a specific states file, then you can select that and click continue. As I need all of these, so I select all and will click continue. And the second step, you will have to fill this form to get the downloadable file. So I will fill this. Then the download will start automatically, as you can see here. So just click start download and you are done. And these are all the CSV files that we need for uploading. So let's create a new folder for this. Extract these files. And then start uploading these. Go back to WooCommerce and tax rates. Click import. Now click choose file and we'll select them one by one like this. Now there is some error. Let's try again. Choose another one. This CSV is invalid. So to solve this, we can use a third-party plugin that will import all these CSV files. So go to plugins. Add new. And search for tax rate upload. Now you may not find this plugin in WordPress because this is an old version and is not updated for the last few years. So you can simply go to this link. I will provide this in the description and download this plugin. As you can see, this is not updated, but it will do our work. Let's download this. Now upload this plugin. Now go back to WooCommerce settings. Okay, sorry, you can go to settings and here you will find tax rate upload. So click on this. And now we can import our CSV files here. So let's check this one. Choose file. Select the first one. and click add tax rates. Text threads edit. So let's check if this is working, then we will import all of these. Now as you can see, the file is imported and we have all the text threads here. So this is just the one file. Now we will have to import all of these. So the method is same, just go back to settings, text thread upload, and upload these one by one. So I will pause the video and will upload all of these. Okay, once you upload all of these and you are not sure about any of these, then you can check all of these down here. If you uploaded any file twice, then you can delete it. You can delete all of these by clicking this button. And to check this, you can go to settings again.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
And here you will have all the text threads. So as you can see, there are 19,000 items here. So that is how you can add all of the states with simple importing the CSV files. You can download the plugin from this link, and this is the link for the zip files. So hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next.